Oasis of the Seas features and overview is coming up next. Planning for a fun vacation to the Caribbean? Then here are the 5 features that you must know before boarding the Oasis of the Seas. Number 1. It sailed for the first time in 2009 and underwent its major refurbishment in 2019, with some recent maintenance in 2024. Number 2. You will be sailing with 6,771 other guests. Number 3. It features Ultimate Abyss, Splashaway Bay for kids, amazing pools, bars, fitness, entertainment, as well as dining venues. Number 4. It offers 2 to 8 nights of sailing from Fort Lauderdale to the Bahamas, Perfect Day, and various other Caribbean destinations. Number 5. Talking about the decks, Deck 3 Mid is the conference center, Aft is the lower level of the main dining room. Moving up to Deck 4, mid-level of the dining room, which goes up to Deck 5. It is the entertainment place. Next is the Casino Royale. Midship is Studio B, best venue to enjoy ice shows, and an art gallery to the starboard. The port hosts, Blaze, that's the nightclub. Starboard is the Crown Lounge, a non-smoking casino, and forward hosts the Royal Theater. That's a multi-story venue up to Deck 5. Deck 5 forward is the Vitality Spa, which offers a wide range of spa treatments and a beauty salon. The fitness center is on Deck 6 forward. Outside is the jogging track. Next is the Royal Promenade. Here you will find Starbucks, Boleros is the Latin-themed club, and you will enjoy singing in spotlight karaoke. Next are some shops, while Sorrento's offers complimentary New York-style pizzas. In front of it is an English pub that's Globe and Atlas. Further back is Café Promenade, best included venue for late-night snacks. It's a 24-hour eatery. Midship is the Rising Tide Bar, which goes up to Central Park. Next are the guest services and the Bionic Bar, where robots serve you. Deck 6 is the Boardwalk. Here at the aft is the Aqua Theater, Ultimate Abyss Landing, Johnny Rockets, a specialty American diner, which also serves free breakfast. A carousel in the mid, Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade. Some shops, Sugar Beach, that's an ice cream and candy shop. Boardwalk Doghouse, that's an included hot dog venue. Further, you will reach the Promenade, which hosts Next Cruise, shore excursions, Schooner Bar that offers live piano, focus photo gallery, and staterooms. Deck 7 aft is the rock climbing wall, Deck 8 is the Central Park. Starboard hosts Vinatages Wine Bar. Next to it is Giovanni's Table, a specialty Italian restaurant, which serves rustic Italian cuisine. At the front are some shops, a library, a bar, and Park Cafe, which is a complimentary casual dining venue for breakfast and lunch. Further back is Trellis Bar. Then we have Chop's Grille, a specialty steakhouse, and 150 Central Park, another specialty venue which offers 6-course meals. And in the music hall, you will enjoy live music and drinks.
Planning to sail on board this cruise? Then make sure to check out these cruise essentials before boarding from the link below.
Decks 9 to 14 are cabins. However, Decks 11 and 12 mid is card room. Deck 14 forward is Adventure Ocean and a nursery. Mid is the escape room. Moving up to Deck 15, forward hosts Solarium, which is adults only with hot tubs and loungers. Next is complimentary dining Solarium Bistro. And the Solarium Bar is one deck above. Midship hosts the main and beach pool, which are surrounded by a lot of loungers. Next is Lime and Coconut Bar, Splashaway Bay for kids, a sports pool and arcade, Teens Club, El Loco Fresh, a Spanish-included dining, and Portside is an upcharge eatery. Aft hosts a sports court and a mini golf. Deck 16 aft are 2 flow riders, a wipeout bar, a zip line, as well as the Ultimate Abyss slide. Next is the Windjammer Marketplace, which is the buffet. Midship is the upper level of the Lime and Coconut Bar, 2 hot tubs. Deck 17 is the Sweet Sun Deck, a bar and lounge. Midship is the Coastal Kitchen and Suite Lounge. And Deck 18 has some suites. Accommodation options include suites, interior, and other stateroom options. Overall, you will enjoy sailing on board the Oasis of the Seas.